Breaking. Welcome to today's news. Here is the headlines. Lawyer sues President Tinubu. Nigerian police counsel over alleged unlawful tenure extension for IGP Īmpéächment. Lawyer sues President Tinubu. Nigerian police counsel over alleged unlawful tenure extension for IGP Īmpéächment. To my dear listeners, from wherever you're listening from, please stay tuned as I read today's news, and please do ensure you like, subscribe, and share. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu and the Nigerian Police Council have been taken to court over an alleged unlawful tenure extension granted to the current Inspector General of Police, IGP, Kayode Adeolu Īmpéächment. The lawsuit, filed at the Federal High Court in Abuja, questioned the legality of Īmpéächment's continued stay in office under the amended Police Act. Maxwell Okpara, a prominent public interest litigation lawyer and human rights activist, initiated the case. Okpara is seeking a court order to prevent Īmpéächment from continuing to serve as the IGP, arguing that the extension of his tenure violates the 2023 Public Service Rules. The suit contends that, according to Section 9 of Chapter 2 of the Public Service Rules, public servants must retire either at the age of 60 or after serving 35 years, whichever comes first. Okpara is asserting that Īmpéächment, who is set to turn 60 on September 4, 2024, should step down based on these rules. The lawsuit names 5 defendants: Kayode Adeolu Īmpéächment, the Nigerian Police Force, the Nigerian Police Council, the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and the Federal Civil Service Commission. In his suit, Okpara raised several legal questions, including whether public officers, such as those listed in Section 153 of the 1999 Constitution, are subject to the Public Service Rules, and whether an appointment that has been terminated by law can be extended under an amended law. He also challenged whether Īmpéächment can remain in office after reaching the mandatory retirement age. Okpara is asking the court to declare that Īmpéächment's appointment should be considered terminated once he reaches the age of 60, as stipulated by the Public Service Rules, and that only actively employed and non-retired police officers are eligible to serve as IGP. The lawsuit was supported by an 18-paragraph affidavit filed by Pastor Unena Maxwell Okpara on behalf of the plaintiff. No hearing date has been set for the case. So my dear listeners, now we've come to the end of our today's news. And now before I go, this is exactly what we are saying. Whenever we made rules, the rule should start with us. The obedience of the rule we imposed on people should start with us. Check your own house. Are the people surrounding you, are they obeying the rules that you imposed on other people? And that is the rightful thing. Once you turn the age of 60 or you serve 35 years, you should retire. Not you extending your service year. And look at the way the whole thing is being treated now. Does this even make sense at all? But I'm gladly to announce to us that we are in Nigeria and no other country. So that is how things are being treated. That is exactly the way things are being done in Nigeria. And whatever they do, there is nothing anyone can do about it. Let's move down to the comment section. The first comment I have here says the president has executive power to hire, fire, or elongate his appointees' tenures. So look for something else to do. Another commenter says this will tell us if President Tinubu will honor the court suit in person like his American counterpart, former President Trump, and this will inform the world if Nigeria is ruled by law or not. Another comment which I have here says, this man of challenge the federal government for insecurity. I pity you, nobody go answer your case. And the last comment here says, who are you to challenge the number one of Nigeria? The chief of armed forces of